And then I told one single lie. Cody likes Watanabe. Shocking, right? But I'm glad I told it. After all, Goosey, that lie brought us